In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I was able to fix FC26 high ping and network lag on my PS5. So the first step is going to be for us to go into settings on our PS5 right here, as you can see, and then select network. And in here, you're going to select settings and then set up internet connection, as you can see. And now you need to mark the Wi-Fi that you're connected to right here, and then you're going to click on the options button right here on your controller, and then click on advanced settings. Now what you need to do is to go down in here and where you can see the DNS settings, change this one from automatic to manual. And then primary DNS, you should set this one to 1.1.1.1, secondary DNS 1.0.0.1. Then click on OK right here, as you can see. The reason why you need to do that, or that you could do that, is because you basically might get an even better connection by actually changing your DNS to that settings, just so you know. And now we're just going to go back and then go into users and accounts. So this is the last step. Then go into other and then click on restore licenses. Select EA Sports right here, EA Sports FC26 of course, and then click on restore. And I'm just going to click on yes. And it's going to take us a couple of seconds to restore it right here, as you can see. And now go back and hopefully now it's going to be fixed for you as well.